guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be learning how to make porridge. I'm going to be teaching you exactly how my mom used to make it while growing up, porridge and its sauce. Don't mind my voice, I'm a little bit under the weather, so let's get to it. You want to start by peeling your yam and cutting into large chunks. So after cutting it, I'm going to be pouring it into a bowl of water, of which I'm going to be washing twice. Then after washing, I'm going to start cooking my yam. So I'm going to cook my yam with onions, salt and water, of course. Don't add in too much water because you don't want your porridge to be too watery. So at this point, I'm going to cover and allow it cook for a long time because I want my yam to be extremely soft. While cooking the yam, I'm going to be making the sauce on a separate cooker. I'm going to start by heating some oil in a pan. I'm going to saute some onions, of which I'm going to be frying for about 2 minutes. Then after frying, I'm going to be adding in my crayfish. This method is not really necessary. You can add in your crayfish after adding in your pepper mix. Then I'm going to be adding in my pepper mix. Not to worry, this is not a complex pepper mix. It's just a combination of tomato, scotch bonnet and onions. So I'm going to be frying for about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to be adding in my salt and my seasoning cube. Then I'm going to stir and cover to cook. Then there you have it. When the oil starts coming up, you know your sauce is almost ready. So I'm going to be stirring it and I'm going to be going in with my fried fish and leftover offals. You can add in any protein of your choice. You can use any protein of your choice. Then I'm going to be stirring and I'm going to be adding in crayfish because I like to taste crayfish in the sauce. Then I'm going to be stirring together. And I'm going to cover and allow it to cook for 2 minutes because I want the sauce and everything to come together. Then there you have it. Our sauce is ready. And let's check in on our yam. At this point, you want to check your yam and see what we have here. Our yam is done. And I'm going to be adding in my blended pepper mix. And I'm going to be going in with my seasoning cubes and crayfish. Crayfish is not really necessary. If you don't like it, you can skip it. Then I'm going to be stirring together for it to combine. And I'm going to be adding in my palm oil at this point because I want the palm oil to cook with the yam. So I'm going to stir together. Then I'll cover and allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Then get yourself a turning stick like this or a small pestle if you don't have, and let's start mashing together. At this point, you don't want to mash too much or too hard because you don't want to destroy your pot and your cooker. So this is what we get after mashing together. Our porridge is 100% ready to serve. So I'll be serving with the sauce, and look at this goodness. Look what we have here. Let me know if you'll be trying this in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye. See you in my next video.